Hey pet parents! We love our furry friends, but let's be honest, pet hair gets everywhere. If your clothes look more like a fur coat, don't worry, we've got some simple tricks to help you get rid of that stubborn pet hair in no time. Step 1. Shake it out. First things first, before you even toss your clothes in the washer or dryer, give them a good shake. This helps loosen up the fur and get rid of any loose strands before they stick even more. If you're outside, even better, let the breeze do some of the work for you. Step 2. Dryer sheets to the rescue. Next up, grab a dryer sheet. Before washing, throw your clothes into the dryer for 10 minutes on low heat with a dryer sheet. The anti-static properties will help loosen pet hair so it collects in the lint trap instead of clinging to your clothes. Then just clean out the lint trap and you're good to go. Step 3. Lint roller magic. Got some stubborn pet hairs left? A lint roller is your best friend. Just roll it over your clothes and watch that pet hair disappear. No lint roller? No problem. Wrap some packing tape or duct tape around your hands. Sticky side out and pat away the fur. Bonus tip, wash smart. When you finally toss your clothes in the washer, add half a cup of white vinegar to the rinse cycle. It helps loosen hair and soften fabric so pet hair doesn't cling as much. And there you have it! Shake, dry, roll, and wash. Try these tricks next time your outfit is covered in fur and let us know which works best for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other laundry tips. See you next time!